If anyone asks, where is the High Mars in Bakhmut? Don't worry, they are there. Ukrainian artillery strike coming straight to Russian trenches in Bakhmut, Donetsk region, eastern Ukraine. Combat footage recorded by Russian invaders. Jaegers of the 71st Jaeger Brigade attack and capture Russian positions. First-person view on behalf of Ukrainian defenders advancing and eliminating the enemy up front. The surreal view of the Russian cruise missile strikes in Ukraine from the window of a plane over Moldova. A defender of Ukraine couldn't wait to see his daughter and came to her school. They haven't seen each other for 9 months. Ukrainian soldier in the east.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.